What's up YouTube? Thank you so much for clicking this video. And today we'll be doing the part 2 of unboxing the Touch 5 or TouchNew markers, and I'll be trying it out for an artwork. Before we proceed to the video, please do click that subscribe button, hit the bell icon because I'll be posting videos every Thursday so that you'll be notified. And then please give this video a thumbs up. And for today's video, I'll be doing a chibi version of Grizz, which is one of my favorite characters on Netflix original TV series, The Society. Please check that series right away because it's very good. It's the most perfect series that I've seen so far for 2019. I'm trying out the Touch 5 new markers today, and so far so good. As you can see, I'm just trying to basically fill out everything with a basic color. And so one thing that's good about these markers are the numberings. It has numbers and it has the color name on the cap, both ends, so you don't have to be confused on what you'll be using. And I would highly suggest that once you buy this or once you get a hold of this markers, be sure to swatch them on the paper that you are using. So whatever paper that you were using, swatch it right away so that you'll know how or what will be the effect or how would it look like, because it varies depending on what paper you're using. And I'm using a vellum paper here, which is almost I think it's 250 GSM, the thickness. I like starting out with a red colored pencil for the base or for the outline of the drawing. I like it because it just mixes up with every color. The only thing that I'm worried about is that it's very saturated, and sometimes some of the markers are very full, and if you don't test it out first before putting it on your artwork, you might mess up your artwork. So you better swatch all of them and know what color it is. By the way guys, if you have any suggestions, any comments, any feedbacks, anything that you want me to do differently or anything that you want me to improve on, please do let me know on the comment section below. I just started out with YouTube vlogging, so I'm not really good with it, but just let me know what you want to say, okay? And just in case you're curious to what are the items that I'm using, the other items that I'm using on this video, I will surely put them on the description below, so just check them out. I am also planning to maybe do some giveaways on my future videos, and if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified. Maybe I can do some artwork, request artworks for anything that you want me to do for you guys, any personalized artworks that you want me to do. Maybe that's something that I can give for my subscribers. And we are done. Ayan. So far I like the outcome on how this marker works, and if you're interested in buying it, the link will be down below. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notification, and give this video a thumbs up, and watch out for my next video. Bye guys,